Let's take a look at the fixed pole inserts. Murrelektronik has a wide range of fixed pole inserts available in our Modlink Heavy product line. All of the fixed pole inserts fit into both housing sizes A and B, and we offer 1 to 64 poles depending on the size and power transmission of your application. Worldwide usability is important for our customers, so all of our inserts are UL listed, so that you can be one step ahead in the approval process. We offer different ways to connect the Modlink Heavy fixed pole inserts, the classic crimp and screw connections, as well as push-in connection technology. The push-in connection technology is the way to go if you are looking for a simple, tool-free way to efficiently install fixed pole inserts, because it's easy to assemble and vibration-proof. The push-in connection reduces installation and maintenance time. The push-in technology is our easiest installation solution and creates heavy-duty connections you can rely on. Are you looking for more information on modular inserts and frames? Then watch the next video for an overview of the selection or visit murrelektronik.com.